When submitting assignments for all of your web classes, instead of just submitting them on the Moodle page for the assignment, you're going to need to do things a little differently. First off, you are going to need a program called FileZilla. This is a FTP client application. And basically what it does is it is going to make a remote connection between your computer and a web server. And we have this already configured for you guys, so there's not a whole lot you have to set up. All you will have to do is put in some information. Okay, I have here, I already have the program installed. You can download it by going to the following website. Just go to the download section and find it for your operating system. I like it because you can use it if you're a Mac user, Linux user, or a Windows user. So it doesn't matter. Okay, you just need to make sure you install the right version. Now, once you have it all installed, you will get a screen similar to this one. What we're going to need to do is we need to set up our connection to the WebTech server. That's the server we use here at school. Okay, so all you need to do is you're going to click on this little guy right here. It kind of looks like a computer. Click on that, and it will open up the site manager. You can see I already have a few servers in here, so let me actually delete the WebTech server. Okay, and all you'll need to do when you get in here is just click on New Site. And all that does is it's going to create a new saved configuration. So that way every time you come in, you don't have to go in and type in all the information, the username, the password, all that. It's going to be saved on your computer for you to make life easy. Okay, so we're just going to name it. You can call it right here. You can call it anything you'd like. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to call it WebTech. Okay? And then once you're done, just click off of it, and it saves that name. Now we're going to need to fill in our host information. And the host is just the URL to our server. So we have webtech.tstc.edu. Okay? Make sure that's what you type in under host. Port number, that's not important since we're using the default port on the server side. So you don't need to fill anything there. FileZilla will automatically know what port it uses. In case you cared or wanted to know what it is, that's port 21. Under protocol, we want to leave that alone because we are using FTP as our transfer method, and we use plain FTP. There's no kind of special encryption or anything like that. So we leave it just use plain FTP. Down here where it says Logon Type, we need to select normal because this is just a normal user. Okay. Under the username, you're going to need to type in your username. It is your first initial and last name. So my name is Sean Piper, so it will be S. Piper. That is my username. And then for our password, you are going to type in your full student ID number. Most of the time people will skip the first number because that's how it is to log into Moodle and all that. We're not going to do that here. We need to make sure that we type in our full student ID. So you put that in, and then when you're done, you hit OK. Okay, that's it. Once you're done, saves it, and you're good. Whenever you want to connect to it, all you have to do is, instead of clicking the computer right here, this open the site manager, right next to it you'll see this little arrow pointing down. You want to click that, and it'll show you all your saved servers. You just click on it, and it'll connect.